Hey everyone, welcome back to Skyfold Flight. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of the most beautiful and realistic flying paper butterflies you've ever seen. Its unique shape and elegant wings make it look amazing. And the best part is that it's easy to fold and actually glides through the air. So grab your paper and let's get started. First, take an A4 sheet of paper. Fold it in half both horizontally and vertically to create clear center creases. Unfold the paper, then flip it over. Fold the right edge toward the center crease and do the same with the left edge so both sides meet perfectly in the middle. Next, fold the top left corner inward, then repeat the same fold on the top right corner. Once you finish these folds, your paper should start taking shape. Now rotate the paper. Fold both the right and left corners toward the center line to create a neat triangle. Flip the model over, keeping the triangle at the bottom. Fold the bottom section upward, then make two small folds about 1 centimeter each on both sides to securely lock the triangular flap in place. Flip the paper over again. Fold the top section downward, then gently bring both wings together. Turn the model slightly, make a small fold near the top, flip it over one more time, and make one final downward fold. These finishing folds give the butterfly its realistic shape and help it fly smoothly. And that's it. Your beautiful flying paper butterfly is now complete. It looks fantastic and is ready for takeoff. Now comes the most exciting part, the flight test. Give it a gentle throw and watch it glide gracefully through the air. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Skyfold Flight, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next amazing paper folding tutorial.